Hey there everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to turn off message notifications on Gmail on your PC. With the new update, the process is slightly different, so let's get started. First, open your Gmail account like you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left of the web address and click on View Site Information. This will open up a menu where you can access the site settings. Next, click on Site Settings. This will bring you to a page where you can adjust various permissions for the Gmail site. Now, under the Permissions section, you'll see a list of options. Look for the one that says Notifications and click on the box next to it. This will allow you to modify your notification settings. Choose the option that says Block. This will ensure that you no longer receive any notifications from Gmail on your PC. You can always come back and change this setting if you decide you want to receive notifications again in the future. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off message notifications on Gmail on your PC. It's a quick and easy process that will help you stay focused and avoid distractions while using your email. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.